Still there is a time. So we will wait for others to join.
Good morning, Swati ma'am.
Very good morning, dear.
Swati ma'am, I have a this space here, so I can write here.
Okay, will do. You can continue, but in the margin you write down today's date and day. Properly leave 2 lines and then we shall continue. Please give heading nouns, N-O-U-N-S. Please give
Good
heading.
morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear. Very good morning to you all. Today we are doing grammar.
Ma'am, we have to write index.
Yes, I have sent this message in the classroom also.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
English grammar. Open your notebook. Write down today's date and day. Date in the index and date and day on the new page.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you aware that today your reading slot is there? Reading session. Half of you. Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
are you aware that your reading session will be there today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good boy.
Good
So,
morning, Swati ma'am.
very good morning, dear. So here, I hope that you must have written today's date and day on a new page, and please give heading nouns. Please give heading nouns. Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, in the
Yes.
last class, you had made do common noun and proper nouns. So in the proper noun, I have left for writing this much.
We have already written.
Ma'am, can I write that heading like one with nouns or nouns only?
Nouns, nouns, nouns. What we had written already in the notebook about nouns?
Common noun. Ma'am, definitions of common noun and proper noun.
Is this just pay attention here. I'm showing you something. Tell me whether it is the same. Is this the thing what we had already written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This we have already written in our notebook, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning.
When does we have to write?
It is already written in our notebook. We are just taking a recap of it. How much we have written? Can anybody tell me what is our last line?
Yes, ma'am. For example, means proper noun. For example, Rubina, Maya, Jangadir, and Mr. Patel. Only we have written.
Okay, means this much is done.
Yes, ma'am.
These both the things we have written common nouns and proper nouns, right?
Yes.
These both the things are written. Sure? Please check, and those who have not written, I would like them.
Ma'am, you have already done this in the classroom.
Classroom. Yes. So, Vedi, you have completed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, this much is done? Okay. So now, okay. So noun part, whichever to be written down in the notebook, we have already done. Now, in the chat box, I want you to See, I am taking the names. Only to whom I am calling, they will write down 5 common noun. 5 common noun. Prithika, Dhwani, Moksh. Prithika, Dhwani, Moksh. Common noun. 5 common noun. 5 together. Huh? One. Don't send 1 1 1 1. Don't send 1 1.
Five together.
5 together. Yes, Jignesh, I can see, beta. I will give you a chance. Don't worry. Prithika, Dhwani, Moksh, 5 common nouns together. Vedi, wait, I will give you the chance.
Good morning, ma'am.
Why are you late?
Ma'am, it was network issue.
Okay. Dhwani, I have already told you not to send 1 1 single. I want all 5 together. So yes,
Yes, ma'am, but I was putting that down one, so it went enter.
Okay. Chair, plant, pencil, book, and window. Wow. Prithika, all 5 correct. Very good. I am waiting for Moksh and Dhwani. Now, Vedi, Jignesh, Shivangini Seller. Vedi, Jignesh, Shivangini Seller. Proper nouns, 5 together. 5 proper nouns. Dhwani, girl, boy, man, sir, dance. Very good. Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have written Jignesh.
Moksh, why tree, T capital? Moksh for common noun, no capital letter to be. How? Lion, wrong. Lion, wrong. Jignesh, lion, wrong. Lion is a common noun. There are n number of lions.
Yes,
Ah.
yes.
Send one more then. Send one more. And Moksh Patel, no capital letter to be used for
Common noun.
common noun. Correct.
Ma'am, I have written. Excuse me, Swati ma'am.
Yes, Swami is correct. Yes, Vedi. Jungle Book, Rubina, Surat, Himalaya, Tapi River. Super. But river spelling went wrong.
Ma'am, by mistake I wrote T.
I understood that. Because you know reverse spelling, that also everybody knows. Yes, Dhwani.
Yes, ma'am. 2 times noun we have to write in index. Or only 1 time I have written 2 times noun.
No, because today is the second day, no, for that noun. So we will have to write it down.
Okay, ma'am. So I was asking.
Okay. Yesterday we we had already solved that. I had shown you examples and then we had gone through it. That also is done, no? Yes. So now, can you open your everyday grammar? Can you open your everyday grammar? I'm stopping this presentation. Please open your everyday grammar. Yes. On the very first page, write down today's date and day on the top of it. On the top of the chapter, write down today's date and day.
Ma'am, with pencil, na?
With pencil. In the workbook, we will do only and only with pencil. Proper nouns I told to Jignesh, Vedi and Shivangini Seller also, no? I had asked proper noun. She has not sent anything. Shivangini Seller has not sent anything.
Ma'am, I don't want to write, but she said I don't want to write.
What did she say? Shivangini, you were supposed to send proper noun. Shivangini, you don't know what proper noun is, beta?
Ma'am,
I will explain if you don't know. Okay, then send for
I don't know any word.
proper noun. Your own name also is a proper noun. Your sister's name, the name of our city, and see how many of them have sent already the proper noun. So Shivangini, before anything, I want you to send the proper noun, and that should not be the same as Jignesh and Vedi has sent. Other than that, Shivangini, and switch on your camera also. Don't fight with your sister. Shivani, you may help her. Shivangini, type the nouns and send me right now. Pragyan, why were you absent yesterday, beta? Why were you absent yesterday, Pragyan Sisodia?
Ma'am, I was in my village. There was lot of network issue. That's why.
Okay. Then did you get my yesterday's work?
Ma'am, I will check and complete and send you.
You will have to complete exactly. That is what I wanted.
Ma'am, but there is no option to send there.
What to send? Notebook work, what to send? This is a notebook work. I don't want you to write, send me. Let me just tell you, Arav Hapani, Hiya Verma, Moksh Patel, Arth Gujarati, Dheer Khivesara, Pragyan Sisodia, Riddhi Shah, Dhwani Patolia, Jignesh Daya, Viha Patel, and Astha Gujarati. Have you all heard your name? Whose names I took? Yes. You are supposed to
Yes, ma'am.
be present tomorrow from 12:30 to 12:50. Tomorrow, I know there will be no online classes. It will be a holiday. Being second Saturday, third Saturday, being third Saturday, it will be holiday. But our reading classes will be there. Do you want me to repeat the names? Arav,
No, ma'am, I know.
Dheer, Pragyan, Dhwani,
Ma'am, which?
I am sending it in the classroom also. I am sending it in the classroom.
So can I do the grid?
Huh?
Can I do the grid? Solve the grid?
Yes. Start solving the grid. Start solving the grid. Shivani, I am still waiting for Shivangini's answer.
Ma'am,
Start solving the grid. Yes. I am still waiting for Shivangini's answer.
Ma'am, she is typing.
She is
Typing it.
okay. Fine.
Ma'am, I forgot the page number.
Which page number? First page number. First lesson, first page number.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in which time we have to join?
Regular time. Regular time. 12:30 to 12:50.
Wait. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Wait. In the children's slot, you sent right now, so I checked it and you forgot to add my name. You said my name, but you forgot to add in the name. Wait.
Which list? Just now, which I have sent in the classroom.
Yes, right now.
Okay. I shall check and revert. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Shivangini. Your answer is perfect and correct.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am. But Shivangini has written all
Jungle
the
Book
letters.
A must be capital. Tapi River you have copied again and T must be capital. Jungle Book J and B must be capital and Tapi River T must be capital. That you don't forget, beta.
Ma'am, Jungle Book is also copied in
Proper
Tommy
noun.
also.
But I told her it is a proper noun, so it should be capital letters.
But ma'am, she is copied. Tommy, Tapi River, Jungle
Okay,
Book.
okay. So can you see the presentation?
But ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, I am getting
Find this word.
Ma'am, which words I am getting, I have written in second and third and fourth. It is okay? Ma'am, I do not write in a line. It's so okay that words I have written in my own
Okay.
private.
Ma'am, you can show 8 and 9. Ma'am, this we have to
Yes,
write.
please do it. Yeah, those are the words in the grid.
Ma'am, where we have to write?
These are the words in the grid.
So ma'am, we have to write in the notebook.
No. No.
Ma'am,
Done?
can I write in cursive?
Yes, you may. In the workbook you are talking about, right? We are not writing down anything in the notebook.
Ma'am,
We are
which
writing it in first. Common and proper noun first. First page number.
Ma'am, can you show
There are
the
15
first?
nouns in the grid. There are 15 nouns in the grid. So I have shown you 15 nouns in my presentation. And plus below is the space to write down 15 nouns. So which nouns you are marking in the grid, the same nouns you will be writing it down.
Ma'am, can you scroll it up?
Scroll up. Okay. Increase the speed of writing. Increase the speed of writing.
Ma'am, please show 12. Ma'am, please show 13,
12th
14,
one.
15. 13, 14. Ma'am, please show 8, 1, show. Ma'am, show the 6th one.
Shall I do one thing? Shall I copy this everything in the chat box? Send you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So then scrolling up and down will not take place again and again.
Done, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, scroll it up.
yes, beta. Doing. Just wait.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, dear.
Ma'am, there is zebra also.
Yes. In the chat box, I have written. If any other words, if you are getting, you are of course allowed to do. But the thing is, which words you are marking in the grid, the same words should be written down on page number 1 and 2, where the place is
Ma'am, there
made
is
to write
sun
down.
also.
And the same things. The words may be different than this. The words may be different than this. Understood?
Done, ma'am.
Shall we solve the next one also? Shall we solve the next one also? Underline the proper
Yes,
noun
ma'am.
in the given sentence and rewrite them correctly. Rewrite them correctly. Only first one I will show you. Only first one I will show you. Where are the changes in Akhil and Jaipur? These two are the proper noun. So those proper nouns you have to underline. Akhil and Jaipur you have to underline. Akhil and Jaipur you have to underline.
Ma'am, in question it's written that we have to rewrite the sentences correctly.
There is a place given. There is a place given, but while rewriting, you have to write down Akhil and Jaipur in capital letters, starting in capital letter Akhil and Jaipur.
Okay.
This is the difference. Muhammad Momin is absent today.
Excuse me, ma'am, it is showing that you left.
Yes, and my presentation also has gone, no? Yes, my presentation is not there, right? Okay.
Yes.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Uh, First one we have done Akhil and Jaipur. Okay. The second one we will be doing now. The second one. Now you tell me which is the proper noun in the second sentence.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Which is the yes, dear. Yes, please.
Ma'am, I have now only come.
Ma'am, I said English.
Just wait, beta. When one person is talking, how can you talk? Just wait. Somebody was asking some doubt, so let me please clear it. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have just completed now read what to do in the second one. We have to
Don't worry. We are ahead of that. I mean, only greed part was to be done. Now, second, you have to underline the proper noun. In that, the first sentence, Akhil and Jaipur is the proper noun. These two are proper nouns. So you have to underline. Yes, Riddhi, just wait. Akhil and Jaipur you have to underline, and you have to rewrite the sentence, writing Akhil and Jaipur with proper noun. Yes, Riddhi, please. Jignesh, wait. Riddhi, say.
Second one, Ravi, New York, and July is proper noun.
Yes. Jignesh, please repeat.
Ma'am, Ravi, New York, and July is
Correct.
proper
So
noun.
now while writing the answer, you will be writing Ravi. You will be writing Ravi, New York, and July starting with capital. Is that clear? Vihan Vyas, are you clear about it? Good. Very good. Okay, who was telling me the name is not included, but I said that name? Was it Astha?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, it was Neha.
ma'am. But ma'am, it is showing Riya's name is there. I saw.
Viha's name is there in the list. Viha, tomorrow you be there, beta, for reading.
Ma'am.
And today's also you have got?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
That Consonant river, it will be capital.
No. River is a common noun. It will not be capital. River is a common noun. It will not be capital. Yes, Vihan, very good. Now Moin will read the third sentence. Moin will just read the third sentence, nothing else, only reading.
Black Beauty
Hmm.
novel.
Novel means a book. Hmm.
Novel writing by
Written.
written by Anna Sewell.
So which are the proper nouns in that? Riddhi Shah will say.
Black
Just a
Beauty.
minute. Riddhi, enough. Black Beauty you said. Enough. Now Diva Chauhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Third sentence.
Anna.
How many are the proper noun?
Ma'am.
No, Diva Chauhan.
Anna
Hmm.
and novel.
Okay. Is Harsh Keswani there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Harsh Keswani. See, novel is a book. It is a common noun. It cannot be the proper noun. Okay. Is Harsh Keswani there? Okay. Vedi, do you want to say anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Harsh was there, no, in the beginning. Now I cannot see him. Okay. We are doing only this much today. We are doing only this much today. 3 sentences. Only 3 sentences today.
Ma'am.
In
Ma'am,
the
the
workbook.
two
And
proper
in the
nouns only
notebook.
Black
Okay.
Beauty
Just
and
wait.
Anna.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, this is a novel, but the novel, this is proper noun. The name, it's novel's name.
Novel's name is proper noun, but the word novel
Yes, I am
is
saying
not
that.
proper noun. Ah, correct.
Ma'am, it is
Very
novel.
good. Novel word is not proper noun, but the
Because
name of the
novel
novel
can be,
is, yes, correct.
because
Novel can
novel
be
can
any.
be
Yes,
any book.
any novel. There are n
Ma'am.
numbers of novel. N number of
Ma'am,
novels. Okay.
yesterday I wrote in chat box, Dev fill kiya. This was his name.
Okay. Okay. Nile is the name of the river, Prithika. Nile is the name of the river. Yes. What is that you are showing me? Hare Donga. What is that in your hand?
This is a gun.
Oh, made craft. Okay, now listen to me. Dear everyone, in the notebook, we have written today's date and day. There you write down. In the notebook, you write down. Workbook, page number 1. Workbook, see, I'm writing in the chat box. This way you write down and then close both the things, notebook as well as workbook.
Ma'am, so we have to solve the word.
A notebook where we
No. In notebook, we are not writing down anything today. We just mentioned that on this date, what did we do? Viha Patel, what makes you laugh, dear?
where we have written down. This is my dad. In my I checked the mail again.
Okay.
Then I checked again and I saw my name right now, but before it nothing.
Okay. Now, anybody has any doubt regarding
Ma'am, I
common
think,
noun and
ma'am,
proper
I
noun?
think she, ma'am, I think she is on up only than two.
Yes. Okay. Anybody has any doubt? Okay, Viha, I understood. Fine. Can you tell me any abstract noun?
Ma'am, we have to write like
Do
this.
you have any idea about abstract noun?
Ma'am, we have to write like this, no?
Bas, enough, nothing. And then close down the book, Vignesh. See what I have written in the chat box. What I have written in the chat box. Do you have any idea about this? Anybody? No? None of you? Okay. Now, we are not going to write down anything, and nothing to be written down now. Close down your workbook as well as notebook. Now, look in the chat box. Look in the chat box. Can you read this? Okay. So, these are the feelings, okay, which we cannot touch, which we cannot see, but we can feel. Our hunger, anger, happiness, sadness, that everything can be felt but not touch or see. These are all abstract noun. Is that clear? These are all. This was just the introduction. This was just the introduction, nothing else. These are abstract noun. Okay. So common noun, proper noun, abstract noun. And here we end our class today. Okay. See you. Enjoy your Saturday, Sunday.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye,
Have a
ma'am.
good
Bye.
day.
Bye, man. Have a good day.
Bye.